In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable auto backup in Hostinger, specifically for those of you using the Hostinger website builder. One of the great things about Hostinger is the peace of mind it offers when it comes to protecting your website data. With automatic backups, you don't have to worry about losing your valuable content because the backup feature is enabled by default. That's right, there's nothing you need to switch on because it's all taken care of for you. Whenever you hit that Publish button while working on your website, Hostinger automatically springs into action, creating a brand new backup version of your site. This ensures that each change you make is easily recoverable, adding an extra layer of security to your site management process. Isn't that reassuring? Now let me guide you on how to restore any of these backup versions directly from within the website builder, should you ever need to turn back the clock on your site. The process is straightforward and allows you to bring back any previous version with just a few clicks. First, head over to the Websites section in your Hostinger account. Once you're there, find and click on the option to Edit Website. This will take you into the website builder where all the magic happens. As you enter the editing interface, look towards the top bar where you'll see various icons and options that manage your site configurations. You'll want to locate the clock icon or the option labeled Versions. This is your gateway to all the past versions of your website that have been automatically saved. When you click there, a list of previous versions will be displayed. Here you can browse through the different versions, conveniently time-stamped, so you know exactly when each version was saved. This feature comes in incredibly handy if you want to revert your site to an earlier state without having to remember the specific details of what you changed and when. Once you've located the version you want to restore, simply click on it. A confirmatory option will appear, prompting you to proceed. Go ahead and click Restore, and just like that, your website will be reverted to that selected version. It saves you from potential headaches, especially after any accidental changes, or if you're experimenting and things don't go quite as planned. That's all there is to it. No additional setup is required on your part. Hostinger takes care of the technical aspects, allowing you to focus on creating and managing your content without anxiety over data loss. Enjoy the convenience of having your hard work secured automatically with each update.